Are you looking for a healthy air fryer recipe that is easy to make? This air fryer Greek yogurt cake is light and creamy, and made with just 3 simple ingredients and has no flour and no sugar. It is the perfect guilt-free air fryer dessert that is high in protein, and so delicious. To make this air fryer Greek yogurt cake, mix 2 cups of full-fat plain Greek yogurt with 4 eggs in a large bowl. I like to use full-fat yogurt because it gives the cake a more creamy and rich texture and helps it hold together better. Now, add the eggs one at a time. Mix really well after each one before adding the next. That was the mistake I made the first time. I just dumped them all in at once, and they did not blend smoothly. I ended up with weird eggy bits in the batter, which was not great. Keep stirring until the mixture looks completely smooth, with no streaks of egg left. If you rush this part, the texture of the cake will not be as nice, so take your time. The better you mix it now, the smoother and creamier the cake will be when it bakes, as you will see in a minute. Next, add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Use a sieve to sift it right into the bowl. This helps break up any lumps so it mixes in smoothly, since this cake is all about being smooth and creamy. Stir well until the batter looks thick, even, and completely blended. Next, take a baking pan that fits inside your air fryer basket and line it with parchment paper so we can remove the cake easier later. It really helps, as you will see in the minute. Pour all the cake batter into the baking pan, and then carefully place the baking pan into an air fryer basket. If the parchment paper is sticking up too much, trim it down so the hot air can circulate properly. Bake the yogurt cake in a preheated air fryer at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes until the top looks set and slightly golden. The center should not jiggle too much when you move the pan. If it still looks too wet in the middle, let it cook for a few more minutes, checking often to avoid overbaking. Let the cake cool on the counter for 30 minutes. After that, cover the pan tightly with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. This helps the cake chill completely and firm up, making it easier to remove without breaking. Once the cake is cooled and nicely set, take it out of the fridge and then carefully lift it out of the pan. This air fryer yogurt cake has a soft, creamy texture with a slight tang from the yogurt. The cake is light but holds together well, making it easy to slice. You can enjoy it as is or add toppings like honey, fresh fruit, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. If you like this air fryer yogurt cake recipe, then check out also this absolutely delicious air fryer baked oats recipe here. Check it out now.